Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. So guys, I recently installed these braids on myself and I am loving them. I truly am. I love the curls at the end. It's just very cute and girly and low maintenance. But I installed them during a wash week period. So essentially I washed my hair the week before and then the following weekend I installed these braids. So my hair is a little bit dirty, or it's starting to get dirty. And from doing my research on YouTube, on here, on the internet, and I honestly, y'all see my other videos, how I'm always going into the shower and washing my braids and all that jazz. And I just did not want to do that this time. I jump in the shower and get wet and get my braids wet and all that jazz and probably have to recurl my hair. I didn't want to go through all that. I came across this. People said that this brand is amazing. It's called Amika, and I got the new one, Perk Up Plus, and it's an extended dry shampoo, so it extends your wash period. We're gonna test it out today and see how this is gonna work. I'm really just gonna focus on my roots because I have some buildup from the gel, a little bit of gel, and from my hair just being dirty. Let me get down on the floor with you guys. So yeah, I have just like some buildup and my hair looks kind of dry. I don't know, I'm just hoping that maybe it can get rid of some of this buildup and it can really make my hair clean again, because I don't like that it feels dirty. I don't like that at all. So it says on the directions where is the directions?
2 hours later.
Oh, it says to shake well and spray 8 inches away from roots in a sweeping motion. Wait 30 seconds, massage product into scalp or brush it through. Apply more as needed, ideal for day 4 or 5 hair. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it because we need this hair back clean. So I'm gonna shake it up. It smells so good. It has like a floral smell. It smells really good. And I'm just gonna massage that in there without disturbing my roots. Whew. I don't know, I feel like that hopefully didn't leave a white cast. That one was a little bit close to comfort. I feel like it kind of did right there. But it says to massage the hair, so that's what I'm gonna do, just massage it. And I'm really hoping this stuff works, because if it doesn't, I'm taking it back. Okay. Let me keep shaking it. And I'm not knocking like getting in the shower and washing my hair. I definitely want to do that as well, to just make sure that my hair is like healthy and dirt free, buildup free. But I just didn't want to hop in the shower after it's about to be a week since I've had these braids in. But because I washed my hair a week before I put the braids in, I'm kind of getting the end result of that right now, unfortunately. And luckily my scalp is like out, so it's not hard to spray this stuff on. But I mean, we'll see. I am gonna go in and like put oil on my hair as well, but I'll probably wait like a couple minutes. I mean, from right here I see a little bit of whiteness right here. What? I'm not really seeing it anywhere else. I got a little bit on my braid right here, guys. Ah! But nothing oil can probably get rid of. It feels refreshing. I will say that. My scalp feels very refreshed. Now, we'll see if it gets rid of the buildup. It's still too early to tell, but my scalp definitely feels refreshed. All right, guys, so this dry shampoo. Okay, so I went in and I went to the bathroom because I could not see the back of my head, y'all. So I had to go in the bathroom and finish the rest of the spray. But y'all, my hair looks better. It looks better. I put my oil in my hair and then I just use my and then I just use my Mael Rosemary Mint Oil and just put that on my scalp. So as you can see, it's still like, you know, still marinating. But I waited a few minutes before, or I waited a few minutes after I applied the shampoo. I waited like maybe 5 minutes, and then I went and put oil on my strands, my braids, and then I took the excess of it, the rest of the oil I had on my hands, and put it on my scalp, and then I used the Mael Mint Rosemary and put that like directly on my scalp. And so yeah, guys, I think it looks good. It feels so breathable now. Like, it actually feels like I went into the shower and washed my hair. Like, I kid you not even joking. It literally feels like I washed my hair in the shower and I waited 2 hours. My hair's dry and now I put the oil on my hair. So get you one of these, okay? Like, I can scratch my hair right now. I'm going to show y'all. This might be nasty, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna scratch my hair right now in areas that it was itching before. It wasn't itching like crazy, but it was itching in these areas. There is no dirt in my nail. Like, my nails are like barely grown out. These are my natural nails, y'all, so bear with me. But there is no dirt in my nail. Amazing. Like, before I was getting, y'all don't even want to know, but there's no buildup. Like, wow. And this took like 15 minutes. Like, what? It's like so amazing. No buildup. My scalp feels so refreshed. Oh my goodness, y'all. Get you one of these cans and make sure you get the extended clean dry shampoo for the most for your buck, because this was like $15 and I think the other one's $15 too. I did get the 1.8 ounce because I don't use dry shampoo that much, and like I said, it's not like I'm going to just get rid of washing my hair in the shower. I just didn't want to do it this time. But this is a great tool to travel with as well, so get you one of these. I'm not sure how the regular one, the Perk Up Amika original, works versus the Plus. I'm not sure. I've never used this product before, but the Amika Plus, Perk Up Plus, is the way to go. Like, get you one. Don't walk, run, and get you this product. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my review of the Amika shampoo, dry shampoo. And leave comments down below if you guys have ever tried dry shampoo before, or if you ever will try dry shampoo. I'll probably do a video on how I upkeep my braids. I only use 1 pack, and y'all, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do like an overview of installing these knotless braids with the curly ends? Let me know down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell a friend about me, tell a cousin about me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later.